All right, guys, we have chosen our spirit animal for this road trip. It is a motherfucking snake. We have a busy vlog. We got the Alfred Executive Lounge Edition. Many thanks to Koji and his company for hooking it up. Make sure to check out his personal Instagram, upper right-hand corner. He is a car broker in Tokyo, Japan. But we're here in Nagoya, 3 to 4 hours outside of Tokyo, and we're in front of the main castle and the main moat with a lot of ducklings. Boom. The castle was actually damaged and bombed out in World War II right over there, but this whole entire area has been rebuilt since 1959, and I think the main castle keep is being closed for renovation and reconstruction. So ducks. LFA in the wild. Oh, it's not focusing. In Nagoya. Whoa. Hello. I got him. I got you, sir. Alright guys, we're currently here at Bingo Sports Nagoya. Check out this massive Pagani Tokyo Bingo Sports car carrier they have. No idea how they managed to finagle this through this narrow street. But that being said, we're gonna go inside, check out the service center right over there and the warehouse or showroom right over there. So let's roll. We're currently here at the Nagoya Bingo Motorsports collection here. We got the Skyline GTR, got the Ferrari right over there. And we got a Ferrari 330 with a rusty bumper situation on the rear. Of course, we got the Le Mans winning Porsche GT3 from 2000 right over there in the yellow Schuppan. I'm gonna take a closer look, guys. Just give me 1 second. Here it is, guys. This car used to be daily driven by a local hypercar owner in Tokyo. One of 600 horsepower, MSRP around 1.3 to 1.6 million when it first came out. There's actually a black one in the States with 0 miles on the odometer. Believe it or not, I think it's on the East Coast. We're gonna take a look at the interior in a little second here. It's hard to gauge exactly how wide and large these side vents are, but dude, I'm trying my best. My camera is not the widest of angles, but there it is. Absolutely crazy. And we've got the interesting placement of the side mirrors right there. Butterfly doors on the Schuppan.
Thank you.
There you go. I know it's a little dark in here, guys, but look at all these buttons and switches on the side right there. I'm gonna zoom in. You gotta be like tiny to fit in this thing. We saw this car 2 years ago. It was hiding in the corner of this warehouse, but today it is in a more favorable position, and we don't really know what this thing is worth. They're so rare, basically priceless. These never really come up for sale, so if anyone has any more information on the prices of a 962 CR Schuppan, let me know in the comments below. Word on the street says that has a rumored top speed of 230 miles an hour. I don't think anyone's actually topped this thing out, but all right, guys, we're in the second warehouse. This is the restoration slash service center slash workshop. There's a couple cars that I can't film, but I will do my best. Just gonna walk around here as gingerly as possible without filming the cars in question. But the Mondial T, now according to Alex and Ken Saito, this is not my word. It is what? The most, go on Ken, what is it? The
last four-seater.
The last four-seater mid-engine Ferrari.
Yeah.
Right here in the flesh. We got the Mondial T badge right over there. A future classic in the making. Of course, we got the 2000 GT body show just chilling over there because this is a restoration center, so pretty nice. There's a couple cars that we can film, so I'm gonna walk around here as carefully as possible. And we got a Fisker Karma that's a little out of place here with all these high-end exotics, but Mondial T. Apparently, every true Ferrari collector should be having one in his collection or her collection, but here it is, the 2000 GT in red. Pretty rare sighting. Most of them are usually in white. The choice of color for all Japanese car enthusiasts, but this one is pretty damn nice in red. Guys, a viewer and a subscriber has suggested this model car shop, but it looks like to be a body shop, but apparently it's on the second floor, so we're gonna hop up here and check it out. So our buddy Fly Panda 888 has suggested to check out this top secret model car shop here in Nagoya. Dude, we would have never guessed. It's on the second floor of the body shop or auto body shop. Everything and anything is here. Check it out. A bunch of Vaninos, Centenarios, Lamborghinis, and a ton of 118 scales, which is pretty rare for Japan because the 118 scale models take up a lot of space. Because firstly, you got the plexiglass cover and the car itself, and then the box. So you gotta have double the amount of storage for your collection. And obviously, in Japan, space is kind of limited. So even in Nagoya, there's a lot more space here in Nagoya than Tokyo, but there's a lot of glare going on here. A lot of Liberty Walk cars here. What the hell? It's a Ferrari limo? There's a wing on it?
Yeah.
It has a wing on it. We're here at yet another model car shop, Boost Gear. I remember they had a lot of 118s, a lot of 143s, and a lot of 164s. So, without further ado, let's hop on in. Got a respectable selection of Tomica cars here. A lot of old school stuff here. 118s. A lot of auto art stuff here, believe it or not. A couple resin models, not too many. There we go, right over there. A lot of 143 scale. These are dangerous. Once you start collecting, it's literally game over. Your life is over as you know it. Dude, we've been to so many model car shops. I can't even remember which ones I recorded a couple months ago, but yeah, Boost Gear, pretty sick selection of 143s. All right over here. Of course, the 118s down there. So if I have repeated this footage, I apologize, but dude, we've hit up around 20 plus different model car shops. So going on strong. We got Mr. Snake just sprawled across the dash of the Alfred right here. A very fitting spirit animal, so to speak, considering how many snakes are in this van, excluding me, of course. But anyways, it's neither here or there. We're gonna head back to Tokyo. It's a 4-hour drive that way. We got a fucking castle just chilling right over there. But dude, Nagoya, 10 out of 10. I love this place. A lot of model car shops, a lot more open space, and of course, everything is much cheaper than Tokyo. And obviously, a lot less hectic. So, we're gonna hop back in the car and roll out. The corruption of Max Showstack has begun. The 164s digging through each crate, not knowing what he will find next. Ken Saito has, are you holding his stuff? Oh. Respect. We got a whole line of Mario Karters. Fun fact, that company, or one of the companies that run the go-karts, got sued a couple months ago because they were not using the trademark properly with Nintendo. They have paid a massive fine. Anyways, we got Lambo Cat Man right over there, and Ginza. And it's sort of raining, and there's a massive snake on the Bulgari building. Quick stop here in Ginza, the Rodeo Drive of Tokyo right over here. Got a DB9 rolling through at the intersection right over there. Looking much sharper than the newer DB11. I'll walk in the middle of the street a little bit here and get a shot of the Aventador, the Lambo Cat Man's Aventador right there. Alright, we're gonna try this color. Hold on. Wait. Ooh. So it's an app on your phone?
No, it's the website.
Oh, the website. Oh. Swipe up. Oh. That's crazy. We got the tourist leaping the Lambo Cat Man's Aventador S. So if you want to control the massive snake here in Ginza at the Bulgari building, go to their website, pick a color, and swipe up. Here we got an F12 right across the street in front of the Bulgari snake. Something actually unusual is happening. There's this man standing right there. He's deliberately getting everyone's shot. We were over there, and he was right next to us, trying to get a shot of the rear, and he walked that way to get... Oh. Start, stop. Yeah, I think he's deliberately trying to get in our way of our shots, but this strange man has decided to get in front of our shot once again. Honestly, it's not a big deal. It's just kind of odd. I don't know. He's staring at our car.
Walk by in Japanese. Huh? See ya. Bye.
Bye. Welcome back to another food vlog. We got the whole crew locking it down here. But here it is. Look at that. Oh. Going low key tonight, guys. Filming with my cell phone. We got the best tuna in Japan. Right over there. Check it out. Bam. First course here, guys. We got the sesame tofu with the handmade wasabi. Yes. Tuna so fresh. Caught from the sea. Delivered straight to the sushi table.